Welcome to Adobe Guide. In this video, I am going to show you a very simple trick using which you can change colors in any kind of image quite easily. Wait. Before starting the video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel as it shows your support. Go to the right side of Adobe Photoshop and open Adjustment panel. Now click on the Hue Saturation. The Hue Saturation command in Photoshop Elements enables you to adjust the colors in your image based on their hue, saturation, and lightness. Hue is the color in your image. Saturation is the intensity or richness of that color. And lightness controls the brightness value. Now hold the hue slider and drag it left or right. As you can see, the color is changing. Pick one which suits your image better and adjust a little bit of saturation and lightness. That's it? No. There is still one problem. As we change the color, the background color is also changing. That is something we do not need. To avoid this, click on the master and select the particular color present in the image you want to change. Again, drag the hue slider and this time we can see background color remain the same. This is generally called selective hue. That's all for this video. If you like the video, then hit the like button as it shows your support and subscribes to my channel for more videos on Adobe Photoshop. If you have any questions in mind, then write down in the comments section below.